Binding carpet edges is a relatively simple process that can save you from having to replace your carpet altogether. Whether you're a seasoned DIYer, this guide will walk you through the steps of binding carpet edges and help you achieve a professional-looking finish that will elevate the look of any room. So grab your tools and let's get started. Materials, tools needed for the project. Binding tape or binding material of choice. Scissors. Measuring tape. Double-sided tape. Marking tool. A sewing machine. Thread and a needle, if sewing manually. Pins, if sewing. Seam ripper. Hot glue gun, adhesive attachments. Small wooden block, optional. Carpet adhesive or hot glue gun, optional. The step-by-step guide to DIY secure the carpet edges. Here's a procedure explanation that when followed precisely will surely help you efficiently bind carpet edges at home for detailed carpet finishing. 1. Measure the carpet edges. The first thing that is to be done is to measure the carpet edges so that the right length of the binding material can be cut to size. Speaking of the binding material, there are multiple options available on the market, i.e. fabric binding, top stitching, edge binding, serging, hand binding, etc. 2. Cut the binding material to the appropriate length. The next thing is to cut the binding material of choice to the appropriate length using scissors. In case you're using knitted fabric as the binding material, keep an additional inch on both sides when cutting for adjustment purposes. 3. Attach the binding material to the edges of the carpet. There are various methods by which you can attach the binding material to the carpet edges, i.e. sewing, double-side tape, adhesive, hot glue, etc. Besides, sewing is mostly used for top stitching fabric binding materials and not for standard options. Using double-sided tape for the attachment and securing it with hot glue, in the end, is a hassle-free task. 4. Trim the excess binding material. When all the sides are properly secured in place, you'll face the problem of overlapping. That's because of the additional inch or two of the binding material left behind for adjustments. Now, you can cut off that additional binding material for smooth and streamlined edge binding. 5. Secure the binding material with hot glue, adhesive. Now is the time to permanently secure the binding material in place using hot glue or adhesive. Using the hot glue gun, you can apply glue or adhesive material to secure the binding material and the carpet edges. Make sure that you press the binding material against the carpet edges using a wooden block. Common mistakes to avoid to prevent the carpet edges from fraying. Bind the carpet edges with a straight stitch rather than a zigzag or overlock stitch. Cut the binding material with dull-edged scissors and not sharp ones. Not applying a fray prevention product before stitching your binding material. Don't pull the carpet fabric from the edges or sides as it will cause them to fray or wear out quickly.